Welcome to Tech Nation. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 33 creative DIY ideas that will take your home to another level. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to Tech Nation for our future updates. Let's face it, this year has brought most of us more time at home than we could ever have dreamed of. The upside of being holed up, there's never been a better time to get some DIY projects done. Maybe you're struggling with storage space, organization, or just a somewhat lackluster apartment design that needs upgrading. Maybe that blank wall staring back at you is begging for the gallery wall you've been saying you are going to put up forever. Whatever the case, you're dubbing 2020 the official year of the DIY. Here are the best ones we've done this year. Don't spend an arm and a leg on minimalistic accents. Instead, make them yourself. When it comes to contemporary spaces, less is essentially more, and a personalized touch or two can help bring in some warmth. Here are 33 pieces of modern DIY home decor that will help in the transformation while leaving your unique mark on the space. Everybody wants to have a beautifully decorated home. Imagine impressing family and friends with your exquisite decor and have them wondering how you did it. Adding your own personal touch to your decor can make your house feel even more like home. Unfortunately, the costs of decorating a home can be expensive. The houses you see on TV and in magazines cost thousands of dollars to decorate. You want a beautiful place to call your own, but you don't want to go bankrupt in the process. However, you are embarrassed to have company over because of the way your home looks. Luckily, there is a solution. We have gathered the 33 best DIY home decor projects and put them into this simple list. These projects are easy, affordable, and most importantly, look fantastic. These projects will make the most inexperienced home decorator into an expert, or make an expert look even more creative. You have been thinking about adding some new flair to your home for years. With these affordable projects, you now have no excuse. Save your money for more important things and decorate your home beautifully on a budget. Number 1, wall clock. The lovely drawer starts off with the sleekest piece of functional wall art on the list. This minimal wall clock is easy to conjure up and easy to blend with what you've already added into your home. From apartments to two-story homes, these kinds of pieces can hold their own. Number 2, steel mesh board. This is a great addition to the kitchen or home office. Organize your desk and countertops a bit more by installing one of these. It's also a great way to display some pretty pieces of art and Instapics. Grab the tutorial at Homesick. Number 3, B&W Vase. This black and white contemporary vase is so easy to recreate. We found the inspiration on Dream Green DIY and realized that even novice crafters can make this happen. Grab a vase or a bottle that you paint any color you'd like, and then add some vinyl stickers to finish. Number 4, circle shelf planter. A beautiful mess always has a lot of great ideas when it comes to home decor, and this one you can easily whip up using circle wood cuts and dowel rods. It'll give your corners the perfect breath of fresh air and mid-century modern style. Number 5, copper air plant holders. Visit the Merry Thought for all the details behind these beauties and a bit of greens to your wall without taking away your modern vision. These designs bring in bouts of metallic shades while staying true to your clean, posh style. Number 6, blushing chair. Even your thrift store finds can be given a modern update. Dream Green DIY found this chair and did an entire makeover with a bit of pink and gold spray paint. And then it became the best way to fill a bare corner. Number 7, hoop wreath. Wreaths are necessarily the most modern additions to the home, but they are warm and welcoming. If you want something with a more contemporary spin, then check out this design from Lemon Thistle. It has cleaner lines, but with the same welcoming spirit that we're accustomed to in more traditional spaces. Number 8, house number sign. You can even bring some of that modern vision to the outside of your home. Do away with those traditional numbers and give that space a makeover. Your curbside appeal will be so much more contemporary with this idea from a crafted passion. Just grab some wood shims. Number 9, paint Swatch Art. Grab your favorite Pantone shade and turn it into art. It's modern, it's chic, and it's super simple to learn how to create with a beautiful mess. Learn them on the mantel or add a splash of color to the hallway walls. Number 10, hanging copper hat rack. Here's another DIY where copper comes to call. We are loving this functional hat rack and how it brings a modern art twist to this space. Check it out at a pair and a square. Number 11, Starburst Mirror. Mirrors are a must-have addition to any and every home, no matter the style. And this one so happens to resemble a piece of modern art and a spark to the home office or vanity area of the bedroom with this beauty from Blitzy. Number 12, Chic Coffee Table. We're loving this coffee table from Wonder Forest as well. There's a clear mid-century modern vision, and the end result is a product that blends and molds within a variety of home genres and plays with colors if you want a pop of personalization. Number 13, Honeycomb Shelves. What's great about this design is that they can be used for displaying small pieces or stand on their own, making chic statements on the wall. Keep them in their original wood form or add some neutral tones. Grab the tutorial over at Burkatron. Number 14, Marble Hexagonal Coasters. Again, we love when style meets function, and these are no exception. Take the marble trend seriously and whip up a set of these with some help from Homie Oh My. You'll keep rings off the table and add a bout of mystery and posh appeal to your overwall decor. Number 15, Beauty Dock. And finally, at Merry Thought, you'll learn how to make your vanity a bit of an organized space. Do it in style, though. This minimal beauty dock will make everything neat and tidy, but in a contemporary, modern, loving way. Number 16, Chalkboard Wall Paint. Put a chalkboard anywhere you can paint. Works great for kitchens and kids' rooms. These paints are also magnetic, giving you more opportunities to be creative. Number 17, Wine Cork Necklace Rack. Turn a few spare wine corks into a stylish way to display your jewelry. Finally, put all of those wine corks lying around to good use. Number 18, Floating Bookshelf. Create a floating bookshelf out of books themselves. Create an eye-catching illusion that will appeal to your friends and family. Number 19, Gold Flower Pots. Give your home a luxury look by spray painting ordinary flower pots a metallic gold. Can bring an exquisite design to any home or apartment. Number 20, Moroccan Dream Stencil. Using just a piece of cardboard, you can give any wall a decorative Moroccan theme. Best of all, you can change the theme just by painting over it. No tearing down pesky wallpaper. Number 21, DIY Nightstand. Turn an old table into this unique and useful nightstand. Take an old table, cut it in half, paint it your favorite color, and put it up against the wall. Number 22, White Feather Chandelier. This easy DIY chandelier can give a unique and exquisite look to your kitchen or dining room. Number 23, Personalized Handwritten Canvas. Make boring walls more personal by writing out your favorite quotes, expressions, and song lyrics on a blank canvas and hanging it up. Give your home some of your personal expression. Number 24, Simple Custom Shelves. All you need are some Hobby Lobby brackets and a piece of wood. The best thing about this project is that you can choose any style of wood you want. You can also paint it in any color. Number 25, Curtain Headboard. Simply place a curtain rod behind your bed and choose your favorite curtains. Looks extremely comfortable. Number 26, Mosaic CD Mirror. Take a mirror and place broken CDs around the frame. You can use different types of CDs to get the appearance of different colors. Looks incredible. Number 27, Mantel Decoration Piece. Using a baseboard and metal signs from any hobby store, you can create this elegant decorative piece for your mantel. Great for holiday parties. Number 28, Antique Style Table. This one might be a little too easy. All you need is a shelf and a paintbrush. Turn any floating shelf into a beautiful antique style table. Number 29, Frame Shelf. Find some old frames and attach wood around the edges. This creates a shelf where you can display anything in a cool, unique way. Number 30, Furry Desk Chair. Turn any boring old office chair into a stylish Pottery Barn style chair. Super cozy. Number 31, Reading Nook. Turn a curved curtain rod and some cheap curtains into a stylish and comfortable reading nook. Number 32, Doormat Wall Art. You don't need to be an artist to make your own original piece. Just take a few thin stained boards and buy a cheap doormat and some spray paint and go to work. Number 33, Hallway Signs. Using some cheap decorative brackets and some Hobby Lobby wood, you too can create these beautiful hallway signs. What do you think of our list? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.